Hi everybody, this is your one and only legit queen. I just want to say a very big thank you to all my fans around the world. I mean, I don't know what I might have done for you guys to show me this massive love. I'm not a perfect being. Yes, I am not. So, this video is specifically for Mercy and her kids and her family. You know, when you are getting older, a lot of things will be leaving you. While we were growing in the industry, some people will come and tell me that Mercy said, some people will tell me that Angela says, tell Mercy that Angela said, and there have been issues, quarrels, chaos, loggerheads, you know. And at this age, I don't think this is what I want. The only thing I want right now is money, business. If you have business, call me. I'm no more listening to those cheap gossips. You know, I just want to apologize to you. If it's just my words, if it's the words I have written, anytime your name pops out on social media, I am deeply sorry. You are not a witch. You are not what people are calling you. This is just to say I am sorry. We don't know where our kids will meet each other tomorrow. They might be best of friends. These kids have been traveling far and wide. They can meet anywhere in the world and they can be best of friends. And we, as mothers, we cannot stop them from being friends. I do not love the fact that they call Mercy's kids witches, bully them in school and all that. If they do it to my child, I won't take it. So this is to say I am sorry, deeply sorry for everything. I love everybody. Like the Bible will say, make peace with all men. I am making peace with everybody. I don't know who I might have offended. Please, knowing or unknowingly, Biko, I am sorry. Please forgive Legit Queen. Legit Queen is not a troublesome person. I'm the most sweetest soul you can ever see or meet in your life. I am deeply sorry for everything I might have written or said against you. Mercy, this is a new beginning. You are my friend, and you are still my friend. I will never listen to whatever anybody is going to tell me about you again. If there is anything I hear, I will give you a call. Like when we spoke on the phone with Uju's phone, you apologized to me, said you're sorry, and I accepted you wholeheartedly. God in heaven knows that I don't have anything against you. I love you, and I pray that God blesses you.
tó èèyàn wa ẹ̀ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí tí ó sọ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣe òótọ́ yìí, kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò lórí ẹ̀bẹ̀ yìí tí arábìnrin yìí ń bẹ Mercy Johnson látàrí ìjà tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin.
And lift you higher wherever you are in Jesus' name. Bye.